Every large family knows the need for bigger cars, bigger meals, bigger homes. As your head count grows, so do your family's needs. Laundry is no different. Washing load after tiny load is inefficient, time-consuming, and can even have an impact on your power bill. Samsung may have the answer big families need. However, with its new WA56H9000AP washer, boasting 6 cubic feet of internal space, Samsung's new high-end appliance is the largest non-commercial washer typically stocked in North American retailers. The next largest come in at 2 cubic feet, and most top loaders provide somewhere between 4 and 5 cubic feet. Size will save you time, but it won't save you money. Retailers want at least $1,349 for the Samsung WA56, which means it's often the most expensive washer stocked. As well, let's see if this giant offers premium features to match its premium price. The WA56H9000AP and the also excellent companion dryer certainly looks the part of high-end appliance. Stainless steel lines the exterior, and Samsung doubles down on shiny by accenting it with silver and chrome trim. A white version is available, too. All of this adds up to a clean, minimalist look that helps hide the washer's girth. And hide it must. The WA56H needs 30 inches of width and 3 inches of depth to install, plus an additional 7 inches of headroom to accommodate the washer with lid open. These measurements are not excessive given the washer's huge interior volume, but they remain several inches larger than a typical 4 to 5 cubic inch top loader. Buyers should double-check their installation space. This is one heck of an expensive washer, but you get what you pay for. Staring into this washer is a bit like staring into the abyss. Its sheer size,